Hello, and welcome back to the Craft O'Clock channel. My name is Aditi, and I am back with a mixed media project for you all. Today, I am going to be using the Silver Heart Warrior collection, and I decided it would be a good idea to make a notebook using this collection. So, before I dive into the tutorial, I will just flip through and show you the papers. These are the papers I will be working with for my notebook. Along with that, I have some copier paper that I have cut down to 8 inches by 6 inches and scored at 4 inches along the 8-inch side. Now to trim our paper, we will cut it at 6 inches and leave the 8-inch side as it is. Ensure you keep the focal element in mind while cutting the paper down because you don't want to end up cutting over the design. Now let's score at 4 inches along the 8-inch side to create our middle line to fold these sheets into half. And now we will just bind this book together. And what I've done is aligned all of the sheets with the center score line. I'm just using some paper clips to hold it straight. And I'm going to use a foam pad and a paper piercer to create some holes. So I will make 3 holes along my center score line here. And so I'm just going to use a ruler to mark them because I would like them at least 1 inch inside from the top and the bottom. So that can be my first hole, that can be my second hole, and then the third hole will be in between these 2 points right here. So with our holes ready, time to stitch it up with some thread. So you can use any thick string and cut the string at least 2 times longer than the notebook, and of course just start sewing it by threading the string. Ensure to knot one end of the thread because that's what is going to stay in. And how we're going to work this is pass the thread through the middlemost hole from the inside of the notebook and then bring it out from one side and then go all over to the other end and take it back in and finally bring it back from the middle. Once the thread is back in from the middle, all we need to do is tie it with this particular hanging part. So that has our book held by this piece of thread in place. Of course, it is easy when you have the right needle with the larger eye, but mine was too small, and so I had to just insert the string and use my piercing tool to push it out on the other side. But that wasn't so hard as well. And with that stitch down in place, it's important to just use the bone folder and run over the spine and the notebook because this will help the pages flatten out a little bit. And now I have here all the fussy cut elements and time to decorate our notebook. And that is a look at the completed cover. That subtle background with the glitter just adds a whole lot of pop. So I don't need glitter on my elements, that balances out. And these layered elements just add fantastic to create meaning to the cover. And this tiny detail of doodling a border on the pages just adds such a beautiful element of pop, which highlights all those fussy cut elements that have been added to the pages. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, and until the next time, take care and bye bye.